In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of the Google Map arrow not moving. To get started, open up the Google Maps app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and give it a tap. Here, you'll see various options related to your Maps experience. Among these options, look for something called Wi-Fi only. If this setting is enabled, it could be limiting your location services. Try disabling it by toggling off this option. If that didn't resolve your issue, don't worry, there are more steps ahead. Tap on Google Location Settings. Make sure that location is enabled by toggling on this switch. Next, tap on Location Services. To enhance accuracy further, toggle on both Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Enabling these features allows apps like Google Maps to use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals for more precise location detection, especially useful in areas with weak GPS signals. Once all those settings are adjusted, it's time for a quick restart of your device. Simply power it off and then back on again. After restarting, open up Google Maps once again and check if the arrow is now moving smoothly as intended. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.